Welcome to the channel. My name's Dave. Today I'm working on the shed again, getting everything sorted out. The plan's changed a bit around here. I was going to put my vacuum cleaner where my air tools are. There wasn't quite enough space with the hammer rack below it. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for putting both of those up, but you get that. There should be plenty here for you guys to see. And there'll be another reasonable size project coming as well, to store all my fasteners and odds and ends. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Cheers. What you doing, mister? Oh, what you doing? Good boy. Well, I thought I was videotaping me put this up on the wall. Apparently I forgot to press record. Anyway, nice solid mount. This is where the plunging hammer is going to end up, just underneath this section. I'm going to try and make a wall mount for my vacuum shop vac. Try and get that out of the way. And I've got a couple other little bits and pieces in the spare space that I'd like to get in here. We'll see how it goes. This is why I'm doing this sort out. I just pulled a whole tub full of tools out of the back shed. Got no idea what's in there, and they've been in there for probably a good 2-3 years. Also found my air nailer and air staplers, and a few other bits and pieces too. So no point having this stuff if you can't find it.